They've been in Zimbabwe for years, in some cases for generations. But these recognizable names branded across high-rises in Harare could soon be fewer and even taken down. 2 weeks ago, these multinationals were given orders by the government to shape up or ship out. It's part of the ruling party's wider attempt at what it calls indigenizing the economy. Using the language of anti-colonialism, President Robert Mugabe's government says 31 years since the end of white minority rule, the economy is still in white hands.
This law is ensuring that our people benefit from our natural resources. This law is ensuring that there is equity and fairness in our economy.
All industries will be affected by the new law, including banks and the country's multi-billion-dollar tobacco industry. It's currently the country's biggest foreign currency earner. But it's the mining sector that the government has in its crosshairs. Several foreign companies, including South African giant Implats, operate in the country with the world's second biggest platinum and chrome reserves. The Indigenisation Board has already begun visiting mines to check up on their asset ownership, and the ministry in Harare says it's going through stacks of proposals submitted by companies eager to comply. Critics say the law is not about bringing more blacks into the economy, but enriching businesses with ties to ZANU-PF. They point to the country's controversial seizures of white-owned farms in the mid-90s. They weren't given to the poor, but to people with ties to the president's party, including the president's wife. Zimbabwe is just emerging from a decades-long economic slump and desperate to lure foreign investors. If the indigenization law goes the same way as the farm seizures, critics say, the poor won't end up empowered, but possibly worse off than before. Khadija, Magardie, Al Jazeera.